Hello, in this video I'm in London. It's a beautiful city, it's a beautiful weather, and I'm gonna walk around the streets with my camera and look at the details, try to capture the beauty of the city. I like to explore cities using my photography, and I'm gonna take you with me, of course, and show you the results. So let's waste no time and go. Let's explore. So I started the journey at the London Bridge, and I'm gonna walk towards the Tower Bridge. Lately I've been using this method, especially when it's crowded. I try to make the object that I want to take a photo of to be stationary and sharp, while the people around it to be blurry and having some motion blur. And to do that, I use a low shutter speed and take many photos, hoping that one of them is the perfect time. Here I'm trying to frame the tower that is far away between the tree and the store and the people, and give it a little window which we can see it from. And here there are a lot of seagulls. I like to include them in the photo. They add something to it. And here I'm explaining that I want to use those lamps and the cable on top of them as a frame for the bridge, but it is difficult. I need to have strong compression, and I didn't bring my telephoto lens, but I got some nice results. Here I found the perfect place and the perfect scene. There is a backlight, a lot of people are walking, crossing the street. It is very interesting. There are pigeons, buses, cabs. It is very nice. then we went to King's Cross Station, of course, because we are big Harry Potter fans, and we stood in line for 2 hours for the photo. And because you stood in this video and watched this video, you deserve to see these photos. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.